All right, it's gonna be a little different. This is driving talk. It's raining outside. I had an appointment, and I don't believe that I'm gonna be able to do a walking talk later on. So I'm doing it a little bit different, and I hope this works out. Terrence Williams Realities. Uh, Phone number 318-759-7442. Check out my website at WilliamsRealities.com. I added two links of two different things. Rehab Valuator. Rehab Valuator. Click on that link. It's a free trial period on that you can get a little time to practice this software out. The software is really good for analyzing deals and um, for analyzing a deal. Basically, tell you how good the deal is. You can pull comps just like a real estate agent. You can pull comps on it. Um, you can do rehab cost on it, analysis, and make a presentation with it. You can do a fix and flip presentation, a rental presentation. It's a free software that you can download, and it give you free training also on how to do real estate investments. So it's worth the trial period. So that's one thing. Second thing, funding growth. I have some called funding grow on my website now. At the bottom on my first page, you can go down and click that link as well. Or you go through my Facebook page and you got funding grow. Funding grow is business lines of credit. All right. I can honestly say that I've used the products that I'm recommending for those to try out, and they're good products. Funding grow is a way for you to start. Anybody that ever started a business for you should know that you got to give the credit card company or a bank 2 years of tax return. However, funding grow, you don't have to do all that with them. You just pay your money to be a part of their membership, and they're going to find business lines of credit for you so that you can have business lines of credit that does not count against your personal credit. And you don't have to worry about producing 2 years of tax returns. You pay your money to be a part of their membership, and they find a way to get you the money you need to go and do buy stuff with that business line of credit. And that's an awesome deal for anybody that don't know about that. So, Funding Grow, go to my WilliamsReality.com, click on the link at the bottom of the page, and Deal Automator, or Deal Evaluator. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Deal Evaluator, Rehab Evaluator, that's what it is, Rehab Evaluator, but you basically analyzing all your deals with that. So that's the first that I want to throw out there. So congratulations. This driving talk, not walking talk. Driving talk is a little different because, like I said, it's raining outside. I had an appointment, and I think I'm gonna go to the gym tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and try out the gym. Um, I just want to say congratulations to all the 2020 graduates. This has been definitely a challenge for everyone. This has been a challenge for everyone. Everything that's going on, if it has been done before, we weren't allowed to see it. And so this is our first time in our life that we are seeing stuff like this. And I'm hoping that, it does not take away from what you accomplish. I'm looking at my classmates graduating from different colleges. I'm looking at my kin folks, which are all my age. If they my classmates, they close to my age, and others who have went to college and finally was able to finish it and complete it. So congratulations to all of you. I'm looking at my younger cousins graduating from high school and graduating from colleges as well. Congratulations. I know it's late in the time, but I'm seeing all these graduations going on now because guess what? Everybody didn't know what they was going to do for graduation. So this driving talk is more or less about just congratulating, giving kudos to people, letting you know about some software that you possibly can try out, and lines of credit you can try out. So I'm driving down the interstate right now, trying to get to the house to change clothes, and I'm going to the gym. It's raining outside. I did walk this morning. I may have to change some stuff up because it seems like it's raining every day in the evening time, and I'm not walking in the rain. I'm sorry, I'm just not doing it. I'm not getting sick with nobody. My voice already raspy from yelling last week, So imagine if I walk in the rain, what would happen? And I'm gonna try out the gym. I want to see if the gym thing working. So if the gym ain't working, then guess what? I gotta cancel that membership. But we finna see. I've been paying the membership all the time anyway, all this time. So, hey, we gonna see. So don't have much. I'm not gonna hold you long. Don't have really anything that pressing on my end that I really wanted to talk about. I just want to encourage you to all the folks that graduating from some higher learning or regular learning or whatever institution you graduate from during these times. Congratulations, and I want to encourage you all to try my deal evaluator out. I keep calling it deal automator because I got another thing called deal automator. But I want everyone to try that out if possible. And also, funding growth, business lines of credit from 50,000 to 250,000. Business lines of credit that don't count against your personal credit. Oh wow, oh no, they don't. You just backed into it. I about to say, did that DC have a wreck? They got this road bag up. Golly, that's the only thing bad about this place. Everything else is good, but the traffic, it's a beast. What is it? Why you see that? Wow, you see that big old thing in the middle of the street, and you're gonna drive all the way up on it before you stop. I'll never understand. Never understand. I'm looking ahead, you can see this, and you're gonna keep driving until you get there, and then you're gonna stop, and then try and get over. Man, I never understand that. Never understand. But anyway, I'm not gonna hold you, especially with folks driving like that. Want to be safe, but didn't want to let anyone down because I mean, I don't know who's looking forward to it, but I hope you are. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Williams Realities. Please subscribe to it. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to grow, and I need you to help me grow by you subscribing. That'll help me out. All right. Check out the two free trial period or trainings um, that I got on my links. I'm gonna paste those links into the verbiage whenever I stop, and that way you can probably go back and click on it, what have you. But or go to my website, WilliamsReality.com. WilliamsRealities.com. What's your reality? So read with IES. All right, that's all I got for y'all. Y'all be safe, have fun, have a great night. Like it's gonna start raining up here. We'll see. All right, out.